on a minute. There's a few things that gotta be done before you even think about bugging out an emergency or disaster. Let's go over it. Disasters can come on quickly.
2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Columbia.
When you know that something is potentially headed your way that could force you from your home, it's time to go grab your supplies and stage them near your front door, garage, or wherever you're going to exit your home. You can stage things like your bug out bags or a food bin, extra water, emergency documents, pet supplies, anything that you're going to potentially need away from your home in an evacuation situation. Make sure you know that everybody is accounted for. If not everybody is accounted for, that's where your emergency disaster plan will come into play with alternative communication options and so forth. Your emergency disaster plan will tell you exactly what to do and where to go. If you have pets, be sure to corral them and make sure that they have plenty of food and water that we're going to be taking with us during this evacuation. Stage that as well.
And always put their food in plastic bags, and the water could be in any plastic container.
And if they need a crate, make sure that the crate is staged and ready to go either in the car or with your other stuff. Now we get to do a time drill. Can we bug out in 10 minutes or less? Let's do it. Whether this is your first drill or 100th, take your time and don't make it stressful, especially for kids. Make it kind of like a game. Hey, who can get their bag and get out to the car the quickest? Of course, I think that our children should be aware of the situation, but we don't need to make it scary. When you're on the road, sing songs or have some activities for them to do. Speaking of the road, your emergency disaster plan will also tell you alternative evacuation routes so that in case there's congested road or anything like that, you'll be able to go different ways depending on the situation. And this is all coming back to that emergency disaster plan. Nobody actually wants to leave their home, but that emergency disaster plan and having these kits and things available to you will relieve a lot of stress during that crisis. Having all of your kits and your emergency disaster plan and everybody on the same page makes evacuating so much faster. Check the NOAA weather radio emergencies, but remember, your life is more important. If you think you gotta go, then just go. Don't wait for somebody to tell you, okay? I recommend running a drill at least every 3 months, if not once a month. Some type of drill, whether it's a bug out drill or whatever, with the whole family, so everybody's nice and fresh on what to do. If you wanna make your emergency disaster plan today, download my guide down below in the description or hopefully the pinned comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for my family for always being prepared and ready. And let me know how your evacuation drills and your emergency disaster plans are going in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Bye-bye.